Hello. I just want to show off some of the stuff I have started on the farm. A few of the animals. I have sheep. I have goats. I have chickens. A few kinds. Silkies, satin, and egg producers. I have ducks. Guineas. I got three brand new puppies. Pit bulls. Their names are Taz, Shadow, and Storm. Beautiful dogs. I have two little piglets. My wife already has them trained to eat out of her hand. Crazy. But just want to touch base. Uh, as you see behind me, this is all my mom's work. She encased the fireplace with rocks all the way around the house, different things, gardens around the house. She loved putting concrete and rocks around everything. Well, if you like this kind of video, if you like farm life, please subscribe, hit like, give me a comment. Tell me if you like the animals. If not, there's many things to watch on YouTube. To all my subscribers, thank you. Keep watching. It's only going to get better and bigger. Bye now.